Good morning, everyone. In exercise 3.6, we have to solve equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this section, we shall discuss the solution of such pair of linear equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. We now explain the process through some examples. First number question of exercise 3.6 is solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. One number question. Solve the following pair of linear equations. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y. 1 by 2x 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Let us consider that let 1 by x is equal to a p and 1 by y is equal to q. Let us suppose that 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Then the form of the equation will be p by 2 plus 1 by y is equal to q by 3 is equal to 2 या 3p plus 2q या 3p plus 2q 3p plus 2q is equal to 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. Let us suppose equation number 1. Three p plus 2q is equal to 6, 12 and also q by 3 plus p by 2 is equal to 13 by 6 या 2q plus 3p 2q plus 3p by 6 is equal to 13 by 6 या 2q plus 3p is equal to 13. Equation number 4. Here now the new form of the equation is 3p plus 2q बराबर 12 and 2q plus 3p बराबर 13. It is in form of linear equation. So solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method, we multiply 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 and subtracting 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 we have 6p plus 2q 3 into 2 6p plus 4q. 6p plus 4q is equal to 24. Is equal to 24, and 6p to q, p by 3, equation number 3 to q, equation number 2, 3p by 3x, p, q, 6p plus 9q is equal to 39, equal to 39. I am subtracting minus 5q is equal to minus 15. Minus 15, yeah, q is equal to minus 15 by minus 5 is equal to 3. So q is equal to 3. Now, on putting the value of q in equation 2, on putting the value of q in equation 3, equation 3, 3p plus 2q, 2 into q3 is equal to 12. Is equal to 12, yeah, 3p plus 6 is equal to 12, yeah, 3p is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, yeah, p is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. But 1 by x is equal to p is equal to 2. Yeah, x is equal to 1 by 2. The answer this is and 1 by y is equal to, the equation is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y barabar 2, and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. To change the given equation in linear form, let us suppose that 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Therefore, the given equation, the form of given equation will be p by 2 plus p by 3, q by 3 is equal to 2, and solving 3p plus 2q barabar 12. And second equation is p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6, solving 2p plus 3q barabar 13. Now we use elimination method, subtracting 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3. Multiplying by 2, we have 6p plus 4q barabar 24, and multiplying by 3, 6p plus 9q is equal to 39. Side chain, sign chain, so q barabar 3. On putting the value of q in equation number 3, we have 3p plus 2 into q. Value of q is 3, so we put 3 is equal to 12, we have 3p plus 6 barabar 12, we have 3p is equal to 12 minus 6 barabar 6, therefore p is equal to 2. But we have considered the 1 by x is equal to p, yeah, is equal to 2, yeah, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So using this method, you can solve the equation. Now in 2 number question of exercise 2, one more problem I am going to solve. 2 number of 1. By root x plus 3 by root y plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Equation number 1. And 4 by root x, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y, minus 9 by root y is equal to, 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. You can solve the given equation by any method, but in this, now I am going to solve it. First of all, we convert it into linear equation. So let us suppose that equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. Subtract equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1 into 2. From 1 into 2. समीकरण 1 को 2 से गुणा कर समीकरण 2 घटाने पर subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 into, we have 4 by root x plus 4 by root x plus 6 by root y. 6 by root y is equal to 4. And equation number 2 is 4 by root x plus minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. On subtracting, sign is changed. 6 by root y plus 9 by root y is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 into 2, 4 by root x plus 6 by root y is equal to 4, and equation number 2, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y minus subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, 4 by root x plus 6 by root y is equal to 4, and equation number 2, equation number 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1, sign change, 6 by root y plus 9 by root y is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Yeah, 6 plus 9 by root y is equal to 5. Yeah, root y is equal to 15 by root y. Yeah, 15 by root y. Root y is equal to 5. Yeah, root y is equal to 15 by 5. 15 by 5. Root y is equal to 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So therefore y is equal to 9. Solving. Y is equal to, the value of y is equal to 9. Now we put the value of y in equation number 1. On putting y is equal to 9 in equation 1. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y. Root y is equal to root 9 2 by root x plus 3 by root y. Root y is equal to 3. Root y is equal to 9. 3 by root y. So root into 3. 3 is equal to 2. Yeah, 2 by root x plus 1 is equal to 2. Yeah, 2 by root x is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yeah, root x is equal to 2. Yeah, x is equal to 4. Hence x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. So using this method, you can solve the equations from this exercise. Again, I am going to describe it. Here we have to solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Here in equation number 1, first term of equation numerator is 2 and in second numerator is 4. So multiplying equation 1 by 2 and subtract equation number 2. So multiplying by 2, we have 4 by root x plus 6 by root y is equal to 4 and equation number 2 is 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. On subtracting, plus 4 by root x minus 4 by root x is cancelled. 6 by root y plus 9 by root y is equal to 5. Solving, root y is equal to 3. Therefore, y barabar square of 3 is equal to 9. On putting y is equal to 9 in equation number 1 or 2, so equation number 1, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y. Value of root y is equal to 3 is equal to 2. Yeah, 2 by root x plus 1 is equal to 2. Yeah, 2 by root x is equal to 2 minus 1 बराबर 1. Yeah, root x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Hence, the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Similarly, I give you task to solve all questions of this exercise. In next class, again, solve your problem. Thank you.